for the most part we are going just get all the things them make pot. I go record another thing in a little bit. So give me a few. These hills are treacherous. And then look where I'm coming from. All the way down there. Still have to go up a little bit more. This is torture. Almost nearing my destination. And this is one of the steepest climb that we may ever have to do. They say just follow right as I go straight. Alright. We have a pretty decent walk to go. It's more of an incline with the pan right now. You have to make sure that you prepare yourself physically, mentally, because if you're not ready for that walk, yeah, trust me, your foot them will fall off before time. But yeah, as we continue, all you see is just mountain peaks, fruit trees everywhere. It's been a long time since we do this. Okay, so that was the incline. Now we're on a decline, so we have to go down the hill now and then make the final stop. Just on my breathing, you can just tell how out of breath I really am. The walk is really not the greatest, but if you're all about fitness and exercise, this would definitely be the perfect venture for you to, you know, just experience Jamaica on a whole different scale, because this is actually the first time I do this. These are the little barbed of them when my brethren have little small birds. We have rabbit right there, so. Come here, rabbit. Say something to the camera. The rabbit then respond and command. Take a look at them have pepper. And a sweet pepper. Thyme. And then you have your banana tree them right there, so.